How to enable notifications on Phemex application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Enabling notifications on Phemex is a great way to stay informed about account activity, price movements, order updates, and other important alerts. So in order to enable notification setting, first of all, launch open the Phemex app on your device, whichever device you are using, whether it is a smartphone or a tablet or iPad. Go ahead and launch your app open and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to the upper left corner and tap on the profile icon. On the next page, click on the settings button from the bottom of the screen and under settings, tap on notifications. Inside the notification setting, go ahead and turn on the type of notification you wish to show. If you want to disable any kind of a notification, then you can toggle off the switch right next to the option. Make sure all of these options are turned on so that you can turn on all the notification setting in the app. So right there you have turned on the notification setting on Phemex. You can turn on the notification for the type of alert you want to receive from this page. Now, while receiving the notification alert, if you want the sound to be activated, then get back to the settings menu and toggle on the switch right next to notification sound. So right there you will be alerted with notifications on Phemex. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.